Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Kinemaster Watermark in 2025. So if you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours crafting the perfect video in Kinemaster, only to have that pesky watermark stamp right across your masterpiece, this one at the top right corner. So you want your content to look professional, but that watermark just screams, I use a free versions. So here in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can remove the Kinemaster watermark in 2025 using methods that are effective, easy, and most importantly, ethical. So we'll both cover free and paid options, so stick around because by the end of this, your videos will be looking super pro. Let's dive in. So the first one, the legal ways to remove the Kinemaster watermark is to subscribe to Kinemaster Premium. So you can just open Kinemaster on your phone, and then you can just tap on the crown or the premium icon in here. Then you can just choose a plan, whether it's yearly, monthly, and complete the purchase through the Play Store. So you can also get a 3-day free trial if you subscribe now. And after your subscription is active, exported videos will no longer include in the watermark. So why this option is the best? Because it's guaranteed, safe, and gets you on other premium features, no ads, more assets, and higher export quality. And the second option, you can use the free trial like what I showed you before. This one, 3-day free trial. You can activate this trial, but you may need a payment method. So while the trial is active, you'll be able to export without the watermark. And you can just cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. And the next one is educational or business licensing, if applicable. So if you're in school, organizations, or business, you can check whether Kinemaster offers edu or enterprise licensing that can remove the watermark for teams. You can just look for Kinemaster for educations or enterprise on their site or contact support. And the next options, you can try the free and safe alternative. So no watermarks are easy to use. So if you prefer free tools that typically export without watermarks, you can try CapCut. It's free and widely used and usually no watermark. And VN, it's also free, no watermark on most versions. And last one, DaVinci Resolve on PC. It's a powerful desktop editor, free with no watermarks. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.